Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger on Android and iOS. First thing first, you want to click on the box with your social media apps. Then you want to click on the Messenger, and this time around I want you to hold your finger on it, okay? Then you will see that they have the option to remove the app. When you click remove app, you will have two options. First of all, meaning that you want to delete the app, or you just simply want to remove it from the home screen. So if you really want to delete the app, your choice will be first one, delete the app. If you simply want to remove the app from the home screen for a variety of reasons, you want to move it to secure folder or for whatever other reason, you just have to click remove from home screen. If you actually want to do the same exact thing on Android, the main difference is that when you actually go on Android and when you hold again the messenger icon, you will have, instead of delete, it will be remove app. And the main point over here is that on Android, the options will simply be deleted automatically. You're not going to have the option to remove it from the home screen. Essentially, both functions for the iOS and Android simply make it easier to be very similar for both users. If you guys have more questions, please subscribe to the channel and come back for more.